Hi guys, I just wanted to do a little preview of this video. This video came out horrible, so bear with me. I wasn't planning on making a video, just did it real quick. I installed a set of Phillips Ultinon headlights, LED headlights in my car. These things are phenomenal, man. I think I got the older style ones with the copper braided wire to cool them. I think the newer ones are different because I bought a set from my other car because they're that good, and I couldn't find the braided copper wire one, so they must have modified it. But I just wanted to let you know these lights are spectacular, man. I can see so much better at night. So here's the video. Try to hang in there, all right? Hi guys, thanks for tuning in. Here, Paul at Paul Phillips Fix. Today's going to be a pretty quick video. I've got my 2008 Chevy Impala LT. It's a 2008. Headlight bulbs, I'm sick of them. I buy the Ultra Stars, they burn out quick. So I'm going to be installing a set of Phillips LED HL. They're H11 bulbs. They're the Ultinon Essential LED. I'll show you the box right here. I'll be putting a link for these from the advertising. It looks like they are a very intense bulb, and I will show you the bulb right now. They have an adapter plug. Here they are right here. Now these are copper wound braided wires that you fold open, and they should fit in your housing. They just fit in like a regular H11 bulb. Then you have the small plug here, and I guess this transformer that hooks up to your standard H11 plug, and then that plug goes into the LED bulb. So I'll show you the tools you need to do this. It's only actually one tool, and that is a 7mm socket. I used it from my 1/4-inch drive on a screwdriver, and you just got to pull out 2 little retaining clips. So I'll bring you guys outside and show you that. Alright guys, I'm outside. I hope I don't have too much wind noise here. I got a dead cat on my Rode microphone, so hopefully it's pretty shitty out. It's very cold. Everything is a sheet of ice. It's actually a little crazy. Let's see if I can raise this camera up. Sorry guys, hold on for a second. I wasn't prepared to actually do this today. They just came in the mail, and I want to get them in the car. Alright, there's only one fastener you have to remove, and that's the 7mm sheet metal like screw right there. It's on the top of the other headlight in the same place. Then you have these white retainers that slide down in here. They go over the back of the light, and then you just get it where you have that access to slide it out. These housings are cracked, so I guess that's a common thing that happens on these. So the outer light is the low beam. That's the one I'm going to be replacing today. And then you just lift the housing out. With this package, they include some zip ties and a little Allen key, so you can adjust the LED, because you want it to be sideways, so it's hitting the side of the housing and directs your light beam out that way. Then you just have your little covers on the back here that screw right out. Those right there. when you put the light in, you're going to want to spread that copper cooling fins out. Now I don't know how I'm going to fit this inside of the light. I don't know if I'm going to be able to fit that transformer inside of the light housing or not. We're going to find that out now. I'm hoping I can get it inside that housing and put that cover back on there. We're going to see. Remove that plastic piece before you put it in. You want to take that off. Then you can spread these cooling braided wires, braided copper strands out so they cool. I'm just checking for my positioning of the light right now. I might have to adjust where that beam is. Might have to rotate at a few degrees. Yeah, that's going to go a little bit clockwise from the back to be straight up and down. Let me try to position it another way. There may be a way I can get lucky with this. That way it looks like it'll work. That's way off. There we go. That's straight up and down now. You got to check which way you can get it in there to get them straight up and down. Spread this out in the back of the housing. I'm tucking the copper stranded wire down inside of the housing here. Make sure you get your plug out of the way first before you get that jammed down in there. I want to try to spread those out nice so the heat dissipates off of those lights. Now I'm going to see where I can fit this transformer in here. Yeah, it doesn't look like I'm going to be able to put the cover on these, so I'm going to leave these outside of the housing. Disconnect that bulb again. My hands are freezing out here. These adapter plugs only go in there one way. Then they have a threaded fitting. Sorry you can't see anything, guys. Let me see if maybe I can position you up on the car. I don't think so. There's no way for me to show you what the hell I'm doing. You'll figure it out. It's not that complicated. Alright, it looks like I'm just going to zip tie this to this wire here. To this harness wire. Checking the position of the LED bulb. I'm going to have to go in and warm up a little bit before I try to do the other one. Put another one of those little zip ties on there. Let me make sure the light turns on first of all. Oh, here's the difference. I'll let you see it for yourself. Turn the camera sideways, sorry, because I got the tripod. There goes the regular bulb. There goes the LED. I see that's one hell of a difference in brightness there, guys. I'm old. I cannot see where the hell I'm going. I need all the help I can get. That looks good to me. Alright guys, one of the things I forgot to mention, you have those 4 braided copper blue flaps on the back. What I did is I bent them straight and then spread them out so there's more surface area to get exposed to the air to dissipate the heat. So don't forget to do that. Spread them out nice, open them up, so the more air that gets on them, the longer the life of the bulb will be. So these are the bulbs. Hard to tell because my headlights are covered in ice, but they look pretty damn bright to me. I have LEDs on the highs too. Let me turn those on to see the comparison. That's all 4 LEDs on. So I'll make a night video and I will show you how they look and I'll let you know what I think of them. I don't get sponsored by anything that I show on my channel. Even if I did get sponsors, which I hope to someday, I will not sell out and tell people that junk is good just because they're sponsoring me. I'm not going to do that. Still got some integrity left in this world, you know. It's a dying quality, it seems like sometimes, but so I'm sorry there wasn't more better footage of me putting them in there, but Just take your time, figure out which way to thread them into those 3 hooks on the light. The way they go in the socket, it looks like they pretty much have them set up to land in the right place if you just get them positioned correctly before you give them that little twist to set them in there. So I'll be back when I go for a drive at night and show you how they look. All right, see you soon. I'm going in to warm up, guys. I'm freezing my ass off out here. Break time. GoPro, stop recording.